You get a bite already?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, another one.
Probably same one too.
Uh-uh.
Same place I threw last time.
No, bring it over to me. Don't.
Here you go.
There you go. Okay. Monster fish. You're doing what you're doing. Look up here. What kind of fish is that?
Bluegill.
Oh, that's called. Some people call them sunfish. That's a nice one too, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. How come everything is so?
Now throw it this. Well, okay. Alrighty. Tell me what you've been doing.
Fishing.
Oh, have you caught anything good?
This is the only thing I've gotten so big so far.
Wow, what is he?
I forgot.
A largemouth bass?
Yep.
How about that? You caught that all by yourself?
Mm-hmm. Just down the creek here.
Yeah. Well, where'd you get that fishing pole? Did you bring your own pole?
No.
That's a nice bass. Okay.